Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't really planning on vlogging today, but I think I'm gonna start a vlog today and carry it on throughout the rest of the week. It's Monday night currently. I took a clip of the snow earlier. It was crazy, but I do want to show you this so that I can open it. So my friend and her mom own this small business. It's called Essentially Hey Toes, and it's this organic homemade skincare stuff, and it's so good. And they sell masks. That's what they started out with, was like face masks, and then they moved to like men's skincare. I think they have like an acne serum treatment, body scrubs, body butter, lip gloss, all this kind of stuff. And they sell like tools and stuff as well. So I ordered their peppermint bundle for Black Friday. They wrapped it like a freaking present, and it's so sweet because my friend's mom, she'll write like a whole sweet note. Like every time you make a purchase, she'll write you a note, and it's the sweetest thing. And there's always like a bunch of confetti. So it's always so fun, and their color is yellow, so they do like the yellow confetti. Okay, I want to show you guys opening it because it's so cute. Like I don't even want to open it. They wrapped these, by the way, in case you ordered them as a present for someone else, but I ordered it for myself. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This is so cute. So it came with the peppermint face mask, and then I got a lip gloss. So excited for this. And lastly, I think this is, oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, it comes with cards on all the items. So it has like, so they give you cards with all the ingredients and then how to use all the products you order. So any product you get will come with one of these cards. Ooh, kind of came off, but yeah, so it's body butter. Cool. Okay, so I have not used any of these products before. I just want to smell the body butter. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys. This smells so freaking good. So that's the body butter. I think I'm gonna take a shower and use it after my shower tonight because I'm just so excited to try it. And here's the face mask. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. So there's the mask. And every single time you order a face mask from them, it comes with a little spatula so that you always have something to apply it with. And lastly, this is what I was most excited about, honestly, was the lip gloss, because they have not done lip products before. This is their first time doing a lip product. Ooh, I love it. I love lip gloss so much, just in general. So I was so excited when they saw they came out with a lip gloss. Battery's dying, I need to put in a new battery. Buddy, just come say hi. He just went to the groomer today. I think he was there for like 3 to 4 hours. But he looks so pretty now. Do you want to show them your toes? Your nice clipped feet? Do you want to show them? Look. Oh, perfect. He used to have Grinch toes. He had so much fur between each toe. You smell so good. I think I'm gonna burn this candle. It's from last year and it smells so good. What time is it? It's 8:40 and I already took a shower, already ate dinner, and I think I'm just gonna put on like a face mask and get all ready for bed. I am so tired. I like did not get enough sleep last night because Ella kept coming upstairs and like jumping on the bed and like waking us up in the morning, and like at 2 a.m. she woke us up. But I'm really tired, so I'm gonna try to go to bed early tonight.
Yeah, we were both mild about it.
Don't jump. Do not jump. Oh my god. Don't jump. Hey, buddy.
Okay.
I think I shut the door. I think your mom just lets him up. Or someone, I don't know.
Things going to do for
Good
the business.
morning. I'm just making some coffee. Yes, it's going.
Wait, hold on. I'll maybe sit and then come out. Come on, where? Sit, Billy, sit. Elle, sit. Stay. Elle's gonna try to run. And go.
Oh my god. Eee. Oh my god. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Oh god. I don't want to get this all wet. I know.
Oh, stop talking weird. Maybe you put it back there for first.
Okay. Oh man, need good lighting.
What?
Gonna show them how it's done?
Hell yeah.
Just right, you'll find true love.
Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. So I just had dinner. It's still snowing. I don't know if you guys, I don't think I said anything, but it snowed all day. We had a huge storm come through. It's been snowing all day. Now it's like sleeting. And I know it went up like the entire like northeast because my parents are getting the storm now in Connecticut. It's really not that much snow. I mean, it's all relative, but everyone here is like freaking out, and I'm like, this is not that much snow. But to them, it's a lot of snow. But I just had dinner. My boyfriend's mom made taco pie for dinner, so that was really delicious. And now I'm gonna go walk on the treadmill because I feel like a lazy bum. I haven't worked out since last Thursday when like Stride had to close on Saturday because of the COVID mandates. So they're closed. So haven't worked out since Thursday of last week, and I'm feeling pretty lazy and gross and disgusting. So I'm gonna go walk and bring my iPad downstairs while I walk on the treadmill. My iPad is like old and it's taking forever to charge. It's only on 13. Also, I took this picture myself in Myrtle Beach 5 years ago. So I'm just kind of waiting for that to charge. I'm gonna bring the charger downstairs and plug it in because there's an outlet right next to the treadmill. But I'm gonna walk and then I'm going to take a shower, just rinse off my body and get ready to go to bed. Okay, so I just finished working out. These are like my end stats. So I ran a mile earlier and then I walked for a little bit because I was trying to get my iPad to charge because like it wouldn't charge. Well, it was, but like really slow. And then I did 12-3-30, which is Lauren Giraldo's workout, if you know who she is. So it's like incline of 12, speed of 3 for 30 minutes. So I did that. And then I did a little cool down. So 481 calories, or more than 4.5 miles, and then 82 minutes total. I'm so tired. And then here's the snow. See how it's like, it's really not that much. This is Matt's basement, by the way, at his parents' house. I don't think I've ever shown this. There's like a bar. It's not really clean right now. That's my night. It's like 10:30 now, so I need to go take a shower and get ready for bed because Matt wants to get up and go for a walk in the morning in the snow. So, are you begging me to go outside? I don't know if I can handle the both of you. I don't know if I can handle it. You're gonna run away from me. Oh, it's windy. Oh my god. The lighting on this is so good. Like it looks like it's daytime in the camera. It's so good. Where's the other one? Oh. This is being weird. Ella. It looks like it's daytime out here. It's so weird. What happened?
Oh, I thought it hurt. Oh, yeah.
What happened?
Oh, she ran and she tried to go up, but the curve was right there.
Oh, honey.
Is she okay?
Honey. Maybe.
You okay, girl?
You're like this now. Oh my goodness.
Where's my mama at?
I'm fun in the snow. I don't know. Can I be outside? Hi, buddy. You're so good. What?
This morning during my huddle.
Oh, you're all wet. Hi.
all day.
Oh, you're wet. Ooh, not comfy. Here, let me put this on. Ooh. Do you want it? Do you want it?
Good, good, good.
What's good? Ella! Ella!
Oh my god,
Ella,
I've
here.
already worked 31.5 hours this week.
Oh my god. Ella, sit. 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 Be a good girl. Okay. Yummy. Is that it? Ew, you're not done. Lick it off. Was that yummy? Have you ever had peanut butter before? I don't think so. She's like, give me more. Aww. Aww.
Oh, don't eat me.
Oh my god. Bye.
Okay, we're forming on change the last.
Psycho.
It's not gonna be FF. It's not gonna be FF this time, no. Isn't it?
No. No.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Bailey, this is yours.
What?
I'll break it in half.
Are you presenting this
Stop.
tonight or
You were
tomorrow?
psychotic.
Uh,
Patience.
should be easier.
Sit. You have that. Do not eat his. No. No. You already had yours. You had yours. Are you
No.
happy now? She's a
No, so now
monster.
you can just do it.
She's crazy.
That's what you do.
Chaotic energy in this room. Oh my god, you're gonna throw up. Calm. Calm.
Alright.
She's like waiting. Don't you dare. Good girl, yes,
Yes.
good. Leave him. Let him be. Chewy. Oh, perfect. Oh, good. Hey, buddy, you're so cute.
My mom.
Ooh, baby. Yeah. Got bread. Begging dog. Is that good? More? Salad. What? They followed me down here. I'm going downstairs to work out, and now they're just waiting for me to come back. Bye, guys. I'll be back soon. Oh, they're so cute. Bye-bye. I'll be back. I love you. I'm going downstairs to work out. Thursday night. It's so dark. Okay. It's 9 o'clock. I wanted to be done working out by now, but you know, things happen. My legs are jello. I ran 2 miles and then I did 12-3-30, which is like incline of 12, speed of 3 for 30 minutes. But now I'm just cooling down. I've been cooling down for like 5 or 6 minutes. So yeah, that's all the walking I've done since my run. So I'm gonna finish cooling down. I'm gonna go upstairs and get ready for bed because my legs are killing me. They hurt so bad. I turned the treadmill off, so this is gone now. But I took a picture of it. I ended my workout and these were my sets. I took like a few pictures of it. Do you see that? 4.44 was the distance, and I burned 444 calories. Isn't that creepy though? There was 6 4s in a row. I feel like that's just weird. Oh, my legs are like tingling. Don't sleep on incline walking. It is hard. I think it's a really good workout. I like it, and it's really good for toning your legs. I think that's what models do, to tone their legs. All right, good night. Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll say good night. Oh, okay, goodbye. Why won't this freaking focus?
What?
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do today at work, besides like me too.
Oh wow. Good
Like
morning.
in the IMDP program. Good morning. They're like, what the hell is this guy talking about?
Okay, I gotta put this. Ella, do you want to say good morning? No? Okay. Do you want to say good morning? Say good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. So, first of all, happy Friday. I don't have my tripod down here, so I kind of need to put this camera higher up. Okay, so I'm still waiting on a lot of stuff from Black Friday, and I ordered a bunch of candles from Candle Day, and for some reason one shipped separately than all the rest. And I was so excited because I'm still waiting on like all the body care I ordered from Black Friday that didn't come yet. And I got so excited because the Bath & Body Works package arrived today, but it was literally just one candle. So this is Frosted Cranberry. It smells really good. It just looks like it's been through freaking war. You see like all the crust. And then another thing is it like, I don't know. Whatever, I think it's okay. Next, I did not tell you guys about this sale. This happened last weekend. So last weekend, Equinox is the company that owns SoulCycle. They were having a big sale, and it was like buy 2 or more items from our shop and get 30% off your purchase. And first of all, like that was just a great deal. There's so much on their website. Like they had like deals on Theraguns, like literally like Lululemon, Aloe Yoga, all these other brands. I didn't even look at it all. I only looked at the Lululemon stuff because I heard about it, and all the stuff that they had on sale was like staple colors, like blacks, whites, like colors that don't go on sale normally. They had Aligns, energy bras, Align tanks, like Swiftleys, like so much good Lulu stuff. They even had like a ton of men's stuff too. So they came in today. The shipping was honestly so fast. Like I ordered this stuff last Saturday. Today is Friday of the next week, so 6 days later. It honestly, it only shipped like 2 days ago and it already showed up. Kudos to FedEx. Okay, so I'm unboxing it. And further, oh my goodness. Comes like this thing. Okay, they put my receipt in this like envelope. Very official. So I did 2 orders, like very not necessary, but I like panic bought stuff in the morning because I thought it was gonna sell out. So I bought 3 pairs of Aligns that I really like. And I just bought them so fast because like I didn't want them to go out of stock in my size, which they never did. I don't think people even knew about this sale. I only knew about it because of Reddit. So I got 3 pairs. I'm most excited for this pair. I don't know how to say it. Cases. Oh my god, it's like the same color as the candle. You see that? I love this color. I think it's very pretty. And what's nice is there's like no branding on them at all. It's just the legging. Yeah, no branding. So they're just like this dark maroon. Ella, do you want to be in the vlog? Come here. Yeah. She's so heavy. Okay. So lines are normally $98 and I got them for like 60 something each, which is like especially for staple colors, like, oh my god, like these are straight from the Lulu factory. So this one is dark red, very pretty. I have this color in Fast and Freeze. It's not a color I'd probably wear very often, but it's just very pretty. I love red. I'm kind of obsessed with red recently, so I got red. And then lastly, Lastly, I got navy. So these are like almost black, but they're dark blue. So these are colors that just don't go on sale. Like these are staple colors and I got them on sale. And the other order I got is in this box. So we're gonna open that up. The second order is ridiculous. I have clothes all over the counter. First up, I got this Energy Longline bra in white. I have a bunch of these, but I didn't have any in white because white never goes on sale. Next, I got this Flow Y bra. I love these, especially for sleeping, which sounds dumb to buy a bra to sleep in, but I love these. I have these in size 8 and they're almost a little too big, so I got this one in a 6. All my leggings I got in a 4. The Energy bra I got in a 6. This I got in a 6. So I'm usually like a 4 or a 6 in tops. Bras I'm usually always a 6. Some bras I get an 8 just to be safe. Another pair of Aligns. I can't stop myself. I'm not buying leggings for like a year. Like I don't need to. So these are the Wild Thing camo. They're very similar to like the Formation camo, which I have a lot of and I love it. It's like my favorite pattern. Like that's as much of a pattern as I'd ever wear, is like a black camo sort of pattern. So this is their new one that replaced the Formation camo. Oh my god, my battery is flashing. Lastly, before my battery goes dead, is I got a Swiftly tank. I've never owned a Swiftly. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Are you kidding? Wow, this is like so soft. Wow, crush the distance. There's always like a saying on the bottom of the hem. It's upside down, but this material is like unmatched. And I know everyone loves their Swiftlys. I just never bought them because I never had a reason to, but I decided to go ahead and get the tank top just because it was on sale and I only like neutral, like gray, black, white, whatever. So I got the black. That is my haul from Equinox. This was like my Christmas gift to myself. Not that I needed a Christmas gift because I literally buy myself stuff all the time. Thanks for watching this haul. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. Got some homemade hot chocolate. It looks so freaking good.
One Buckley fitness, you gotta know.
Oh my god. I'm gonna say that's done.